welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time here, welcome. My name's Simone. Today I'm doing an update on these slip covers that I bought 9 months ago. I will link the video above if you want to check out that video. I show you how I install this and what it was looking like. I've had quite a few questions on that video asking what it's like now. So 9 months later, this is what it's looking like. That's the one over there with the throw. So this is after a couple of hours of my children being up and down off the sofa. These things do pop out, and I would say that they are a bit of a weird shape. As you can see over here, because the kids haven't been sat here, they've all been like sitting here together. It has gone a mess, so I'm having to adjust it. We have to adjust it on a regular basis, but it's really easy to do, like tucking it in. But like I said, if you want to see how I install it, then you can do. Now, it's really easy to clean, but there are some marks that don't come out like this. Pen with the kids when they've come in here, when we've said for them to go in the dining room, and then they've come in here and ended up getting pen on it. But I'd say that it's 9 months in and they are holding up well, especially with my 2, 6 and 9-year-old. They don't look as messy, I would say, as what it was looking now, like on a regular basis. It just depends how many times the children have got on and off. So look, I've just tucked it in and then it's looking a bit better, but obviously I need to adjust here. Is this, it rides up like crazy. So there are some that you can buy and they've got like a strap that go from there right underneath, and I think that that would be a really good idea. I am in the process of getting some new ones which are going to be more of kind of like, I think maybe like this, or a bit like it's going to be more like this tub chair colour. If you've not seen that video where I show you how I put a slip cover on the tub chair, I will link that video above as well. For the price of them, they have gone down in price. Like, I've just bought another 3-seater and a 2-seater for £28, so that's probably like less than $40. But these, I think there was like £80 in total, so about $100, so they have come down in price. I will link any that I can find from Amazon.com, Amazon.co.uk, and the new ones that I'm buying from eBay. But I'm thinking, would I recommend these? I would still recommend them, especially if you've got a really like tatty sofa underneath. I think that they can be a really good idea. If you have children, obviously be aware that they are going to pop out at the side, so you are going to have to keep adjusting them. But my husband really likes them. I think they're really useful, especially say if you've got a pet as well. But I just wouldn't choose this colour, but there are different colours to choose from. They are easy to wash and dry. I put them out on the line. I haven't put them in a dryer. But yeah, so I just wanted to give you a quick update of how they are looking. Again, this one here is riding up. So as I was saying, when I do my next video, I've got some throws and I've got some new cushions and things like that. So if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe, and if you click the bell icon to all, then you'll be notified of every time that I'm uploading, and then hopefully you won't miss the new video that should come out in a week or two when the new slip covers arrive. So I hope that you found this useful. If you do have any questions, then please just leave them down below and I'll be happy to answer them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!